Hi, I'm Guy. This is the Guy or Cook Report. Happy Friday to you. We're going to talk today about the free Google Campaign URL Builder. Now, you can only in your content have a link to another piece of content. And this way, if you make that link with the Campaign Builder, then you're going to be able to know where they came from, what medium they used. It's a great way to convert your users using either a banner or a call to action, find out which one works the best. It's really a good thing to do. I want you to give that a try. I've got a link in the show notes, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, that tells you all about how to get there and do that. And it shows you the 5 elements that make up the UTM parameter. I want you to take a look at that. I think you're going to make better links as a result. It's a wrap.